you are visiting my channel for the first time, please do subscribe and press the bell icon for new notifications so that you don't miss any new videos. Hello friends, welcome to Kavita's Kitchen. Today I am going to show you how to prepare instant Gojja Avalakki mix. Ingredients required are flattened rice or thick poha, tamarind, jaggery, some roasted peanut, rasam powder, mustard seeds, desiccated coconut or dry coconut, curry leaves, asafoetida, oil and salt to taste. How to prepare rasam powder or sarinapudi I have already shown in my previous videos. You can check that link in description box below. If you have a store-bought rasam powder, you can use that as well. Let's start the preparation. In a pan, we have to dry roast thick poha. Dry roast thick poha for 5 to 6 minutes or until they become crisp. On medium stove heat, poha have become warm. Let's take these in any plate or tray and allow these to cool completely. In the same pan, I am going to add 1 teaspoon of oil. Now we have to roast tamarind in hot oil so that tamarind will become crisp. After few minutes of roasting, take these in plate. Allow these tamarind to cool completely. In the same pan, we can make seasoning for Gojja Avalakki mix. Add in oil. Once the oil is hot, add mustard seeds, curry leaves, asafoetida, roast these for 30 to 40 seconds. If you are using raw peanuts, you have to roast these for some more time. I have taken roasted peanuts, so I will roast these for few seconds. Switch off the stove. Take this utensil from stove heat. Roasted tamarind has cooled completely. You can see tamarind has become crisp. Take a dry grinding jar. Add roasted tamarind, jaggery powder. Now we have to grind this for few seconds. Tamarind and jaggery have become powder now. We have to add thick poha or avalakki. Avalakki have cooled completely. Now we have to take this in grinding jar. Add salt to taste. 1 to 2 teaspoons of rasam powder. Now we have to grind this into a smooth powder. Gojja Avalakki powder is ready. Let's take this in seasoning mix. While grinding, you can adjust the quantity of salt, jaggery and rasam powder. Add desiccated coconut. Mix everything well. If you would like to heat this one more time for a few seconds, you can keep this on stove and mix it on medium heat or low heat. Allow this to cool for some time. Instant gojja avalakki mix is ready. You can store this in airtight container for 3 to 4 months. Now you have seen how to make gojja avalakki mix. Now we can prepare gojja avalakki. Take half cup gojja avalakki mix. Take this in any bowl or box. Add water. For gojja avalakki mix, you have to add enough water. If you take 1 cup of gojja avalakki mix, you can add half cup of water. Close the lid for 10 to 15 minutes. It's almost 10 minutes now. Mix this well. You can eat this gojja avalakki as a breakfast or evening snack. Gojja avalakki mix is a very good travel snack as well. Just you need to take gojja avalakki mix in a box, add enough water, close the lid, and it will be ready to eat in 10 minutes. Quick and easy gojja avalakki mix is ready to enjoy. I hope this video will help you to make gojja avalakki mix. Please do try this at home and let me know your feedback. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye. Take care.